Your iontophoresis is this. For example, you have this medication. It has a component like zinc sulfate. Diba? Na siya component ng zinc sulfate. Nga imong introduce is your sulfate. Here. So what's the charge sa imong sulfate? Is it positive or negative? Negative. So where would you place this sulfate? Under which electrode?
Negative.
So it should be cathode. So what you're going to do is, you have probably a powder na siya nga medication, inyo na i-mix with water. Powder. So ma-dissolve mo na siya kung water. Kung cream gani, you can mix that with ultrasonic gel. Mix that with the gel and apply it directly sa imong electrode. Means kaning electrode, you apply there the gel with the cream there. So directly apply the electrode without this one. Take note how we just only place this one in order to hold sa water. Here, may purpose niya. Okay? What may laing substance makahold sa water ang absorbent. Okay. So, after mixing the medication here sa water, you're going to get one pipe there. Mga pipe. And then immerse this sa water with medication. There. And then, place this sa one electrode. Okay, the other electrode, purely water na siya. Sa usa ka electrode, water na siya. Here ha? Ang usa ka electrode na ay medication. Ang usa ka electrode, water. Here. So, inside patient.
Ikaw na sir.
Okay mo demonstrate. Ako na patient.
Powder, sir.
Ikaw lang.
Madagwas, sir.
With regards to the pag-mix, not that so much. Although, i-guide na tayo mo unsay